Is it cheaper or more effective to transfer a mold rather than buying a new one?
That is a great question. And I think depending upon if it's an existing mold and it's running well, transferring can work just as well. It really depends upon where your current mold is and determining whether if it's in a good quality state or if it's at the end of its life and it's recommended anyways to get a new tool. It really just depends mold by mold and how it looks.
Yeah, that's to add vendor depth there, Tim. You might have an existing part in the field that you don't need to or want to transfer the mold. You just want a vendor to duplicate the same exact part from another vendor. That's a new mold purchase. So, there's not much we can do about that. But and to answer your question, there's scenarios where new tool is absolutely expected, but transfer tools will do just fine.
Yeah. And you can transfer a tool and that foundry can run it until they get the new one up and running so that you can maintain your volume while a new tool is being built.
Right. It's the lifespan of the tool that's super important as well. So if we know that for all what you just said, the bookend that is, if there's a predetermined life cycle or span of that tool, and we know that it's in its last years of its life or a year of its life, then obviously tooling up a new tool is important so that we don't have losses of inventory or assembly for our customers, etc.